looks like snow, but like 80% of this is ice. I made it. This is what we came to see. I'm barely gonna stick my toe out there and see what happens. Or maybe a stick. Stick might be a better idea. I think a stick might be a better idea. The smoke. Can barely see the smoke coming off the water. The heat. See the smoke? I think maybe instead of trying to break it with my toe, just so I don't slip and fall in, then we'll just get a stick. Seems like a better idea. Oh, there we go. See just how thick this ice really is. Oh. Obviously thin. It's cracking a little. Over here though, seems whoa. Yeah. That's thin. That was loud. I think if we're gonna get it to break, we're gonna need a rock. Stick no good. We need to find a rock. Oh, come on. It's frozen to the ground. Probably won't break it, but it'll be fun to watch it slide across there like a hockey puck. There's no getting that back. Sorry, my hands are kind of shaky, but it's cold. Like 20 degrees cold. Well, I'm gonna head back now because my fingers are dying. So that was fun.